Gold stayed bearish yesterday. It failed to break past 1968-70 zone. We were on sells from 1964 and 1960. In my first update yesterday, we were on sell in 1964, and then on the second update, it is at 1960 levels. Precisely, now gold has moved towards 1948.5. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect from gold today? Can it bounce back, or is it again going to? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. To get the live updates, do subscribe to the channel. The next video, the next analysis will be released before the US session. What that? Let's start. First, we look into hourly charts. In 1970 was the clear barrier. Since then, gold has been trading in this bearish channel. It is creating lower highs, lower lows. If you look at the bottom here at 1948.5, since then it has retraced and now again trying to trade with the bearish bias. Now, once it breaks below 1948, you can again stay short. We are looking forward to 1941.5 levels, and in fact it can reach 1941.5 is the first support zone once the prices stays below 1940. Now see, moving averages are trading with divergence. It is trying to trade bearish here. If you look at a stochastic, this has fallen. The MACD, now see, this is important as MACD is creating double bottom, but it is not yet crossed over. I will wait for a crossover that might bring bullishness. So now once it crosses over, and if you see the price is staying beyond 1955-54 level, in fact above 54 itself you can buy, but then we have to be, see, 1958 was the support earlier, 58.60. now 1958.60 is going to be the resistance here, beyond which you can expect little more bullishness towards 63.5, 64 levels, and if it stays above, then 1970. I do not see that it will erase completely towards 1970 levels, but yes, staying above 1954-55 levels, certainly little bullishness can be seen. Stochastic is looking downwards. See, MACD here also on the 2-hour charts is trying to converge crossover on the hourly charts. RSI is at bottom, coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2-hour charts, double bottom here, retracement, double bottom again, trying to create a bearish channel after this fall, trying to stay in this zone. I will wait for it to break below 1948 levels, below which you can expect further drop towards 1944 and 41.5 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD is still trading with divergence and bearishness. It is still looking down here, and it does not mean that it cannot continue. Yes, it has dropped, but it can continue here on the downside. RSI oversold, coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, this was the bearish cross, and this crossover has come after a long time. After almost a month, the moving averages have crossed over on a sell side. This is certainly a bearish indication. Also, if you look at now 1970 is the major milestone. If you look at the drop, the retracement, then this drop, and it could possibly retrace a little. How far it could retrace? See, if you look at the on the upside, 1958.60 is going to be the major milestone for the day. Even if it tries to retrace, these levels are going to play a very stronger role here. Now, if you look at the 3-hour charts here, see, previous candle was a swing candle. Right now, it is willing to break on the downside. I will wait for it to stay below 1948, below which certainly more bearish momentum may prevail. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold as well. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour charts, lower highs, it is trying to break below. I will wait for it to break and then let it sustain below that. Certainly the bearish momentum may continue, but I do see that there is support here at these levels, 1948 levels, so we'll watch out how it behaves here. Stochastic oversold, MACD is still divergent and bearish, RSI is oversold. Coming to the daily chart, now see what is happening on the daily charts. Prices were divergent here, it is retraced here towards the 20 period moving average. Now it is trading below the 20 period moving average. In general, once it trades below 20 period, it may try to achieve the 50 period moving average here at 1941-42 levels here, which is definitely a very good support here. We have to be trading with caution at around 40-42 levels. Yes, it may try to achieve those levels here, but if you look at the candles, see, first bearish candle, second and third increasing body size, increasingly bearish candle here, and 3 candle formation is done. This is one pattern which I generally look at, because beyond 3 candle pattern, it tries to retrace a little on the upside before continuing its downside move. However, it is not always the stochastic oversold, MACD. Now this is what I had mentioned several times in my analysis MACD crossing over at the top. Now what does this mean? This means that look at this formation here. Whenever it has seen such highs, it has achieved the lows. Whenever it is seen such highs, it has achieved the lows. Now this time again it is crossing over at the top and it is trading with divergence and bearishness. Now today is staying below 48 and then 44 levels and then 40, 41. Staying below this zone, you can expect a major fall in gold. Yes, it can continue to diverge. Yes, it is increasing body size. Yes, it can show a bearish move here. RSI has dropped a bit. It can continue on the downside. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy. And yes, if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 20th of November. Visit the platform www.forexfunda.com to get the more details here. Yes, if you look at this is the first tab and the front page itself, you'll find the details related to the training program, the curriculum, the timelines, the services which you get. And on the downside, you will find the registration page and the payment link. Do visit the page, register now itself, book your seats now itself. Also, my weekly webinar is going to conduct at this time on Saturday. Join the webinar, get the insights, get the behavior of the markets and ask your queries if you have any queries with respect to any of the instruments here. Register for the webinar, and this platform has much more for you, whether be it the breaking news from across the globe. You can see the live news is updated here. Also, you can look at the economic calendar is there where you get the live market data from across the globe. The charts are available. Click on the markets tab. You can search for your favorite instrument from across the globe and you can create your own analysis, find the live charts. You can schedule a call if you are looking forward to any guidance consultation with respect to any of your existing trades or your futuristic position. You can look forward to a call. And yes, this discussion forum where you can indulge in the discussion with the like-minded traders. Do visit the forums here. Do make out the most of the platform. Register yourself at www.forexfunda.com. And yes, if you are looking forward to join my signals channel and want to trade as per the signals, you can join my premium services on Telegram. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Now, see where you should sell. I will recommend you to sell here at 1948 with a caution note. 1944 first target, 1940-42 the second target. This is definitely a very good support zone. Below 1940 directly we may see it moving towards 30-34 levels here. 30-32-34 very good support exists here. If you look at the daily charts, you will find 1920 then 1930. This is going to be a greater support. The 100 period moving average at around 1934, very good support. 1932 and 33 support levels here. Thus we have to be cautious here at this zone. Below 1940 more bearishness may prevail. On the upside, I will only recommend you to buy if you see the prices staying above 1954-55 level. That is the first resistance zone. You can expect 1958-60 the first target, then 63.5 the next, and then beyond this it may try to achieve $70 levels. Beyond 70 is where the reversal will be seen, else it may continue to fall. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe. Watch out the next update before the US session. Thus, press the bell icon and do subscribe to the channel. And do join my free Telegram channel. The link is there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Thank you.